Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to my beautiful viewers, depending from wherever you're watching me from. I'm your host Larry. So guys, just after Mr. Vegas fired at Mark Golding for saying that the Jamaicans are attacking him because he is a white person. Now Mr. Vegas came out again and asked if Mark Golding needs an apology. So guys, let's also watch this video. Make sure you watch the video up to the end to have a better understanding, and then I'll be back with more comments. So first thing first, remember, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly give me a subscribe, a share and a like. So guys, let's dive into this video and then I'll be back with more comments.
Heal up, catch a late night one. Yeah. Now, the Jamaica Labour Party did a press conference today, and it was well needed. It was a great move, and I implore the Jamaica Labour Party to do more of these conferences. Yeah, more of these conferences where, you know, people who can articulate the points and convey the message from the Jamaica Labour Party, and people who can debunk Mark Golding lies, the PMP lies, put them before the camera. Yeah, that is something where the Jamaica Labour Party need to do more of. Yeah, don't allow Mark Golding and his team of liars, bandits, to dominate the social media space, expose the lies. So, but what I found strange about the conference is that the first question that was asked was about an apology to Mark Golding. First question that was asked from the journalist, from the media, was about an apology to Mark Golding. Will there be an apology? The ministers said nothing about race in their presentation and their debunking of what Mark Golding them said, their rebuttals. But the first question the media asked, the first question a journalist asked was about race and was about an apology. That means nothing else was of interest. Yeah? Not that this is what they want to continue. This is a conversation they want us to have. They want us to speak about Mark Golding's race. Because if we continue to speak about Mark Golding's race, then the $20,000 where the government give poor people will drown out. The NISA will drown out. Yeah? The 7% or 8% deduction in your taxes on your light bill, that I go drown out. Yeah? The heart program, the amount of money, the increased money towards the PATH program, the Spark program, all of them things there, you know, that is happening and is about to happen. All of them things are going to drown out, you know, because Mark Golding knows that he cannot go around the pensioners getting free connection if them meter was disconnected, and if them pipe a leak, NWC have to find the leak and fix it, and them a get a write-off, total write-off on them bill if they owed for 2 years or more. Mark Golding cannot go around that, and he knows that a lot of these elderly people, they vote. Mark Golding cannot go around the deduction on the electricity bill. He might go look stupid, because remember, it's not just ghetto people alone vote. People who pay light bill vote. It's not just when the people say, oh, it not going to benefit the man with a thief light, or it not going to benefit the people them way whatever, not have no light. But what about you think the man with thief light vote more important than my vote? You think the person where your claim said not benefit vote more important than my vote? Huh? First thing, most of these constituencies with poor people they are already die-hearted PNP or die-hearted Labour right. And that is how some of them stay in the situation where they're into. Because I don't have Mark Golding constituency. You believe say a man will rich have so much money in constituency if you look so? A man will say him now come to politics come look money because him done making money already. A man will make 600 million off of one deal in Jamaica for himself. 600 million off of one deal. A man company will make how much millions during the FinSac US million US. You think say a man the constituency if you look so? But those people are die-hearted PNP. Me could go around and go talk against Mark Golding and then beat me, you know. You see? Or me could go to a Labour right constituency where no stay good too and talk something about the MP, and even though me support the Jamaica Labour Party and join them, maybe the people them beat me too. You see? But me not think them vote more important than my vote. A vote is a vote. You understand me? I say, so if Mark Golding them don't get to talk about Andrew Wellness 28 bank account, statutory declaration, and now Mark Golding's race, them have nothing to talk about. A manufacturer, them a try manufacture argument now, because them realize that the people move on from this whole integrity commission nonsense. And the integrity commission that released the integrity commission releasing the certification of Mark Golding's statutory declaration on a Sunday when Mr. Panton supposed to be at church, a preach, yeah, report a release, yeah, CMD as the JP conference. The people them see that, you know, even PMP see that and know, say I follow that, you know. And the man when neutral and the man we undecided is now realizing that the integrity commission is a compromised body. Yeah? And they had to put out a statement right after them release the report said they are not biased. The fact say an institution has to put out a statement say them not biased means, you know, so there's problems there. There are problems there. So what may I say? See, Mark Golding cannot speak about the economy. He cannot speak about the $20,000. Him say a handout. But him can't go hard on it. Him can't go campaign. Him can't go on a stage go say, yo, we don't know if you take the $20,000, you know. The people are going to run him. Mark Golding knows that him cannot go on a press conference and mumble that under him breath. Jamaican poor people get 20,000 at the Christmas, yeah? Eh? At any time, and you tell them not to take it, you are idiot, Mark Golding. So that's why I push this race thing. So I found it strange at the media. I try now turn it into some form of apology to Mark Golding, lying Mark Golding, where I take a big chain from around stone neck, please.
So guys, I believe you've watched the video up to the end. Now I want to hear from you. Tell me your thoughts about this video. Tell me your thoughts on the message that has been sent out to Mark Golding and the PNP supporters by Mr. Vegas himself. And guys, I love to make something clear. It doesn't matter which political party you're supporting. It doesn't matter which race you are from. We are all one. We are all humans, and we are our brothers' keepers. These people, we keep on fighting because they are from the opposition side. They are our brothers, they are our sisters. So what I love to urge you, my beautiful viewers, my beautiful people, is that let nobody bleed so that somebody could lead. Let's stick to that. Let nobody bleed so that somebody could lead. These people, whenever they'll get to power, we've seen cases of leaders, people we chose, people we thought that they'll do us good, people which we hoped that they have a better vision for the country and for the citizens of that country. We've seen them turn their backs on us. We've seen them turn out to be sellouts. So let's not hurt each other just because we support this political person, or we support this race, we support this. Let's just not hurt each other. There is a lot, and there is a life beyond the politics. There is, and there will always be a life beyond the politics. Engage me in the comment section. I love hearing from you guys. Your support keeps me going. So I'm your host Larry. Remember, if you're watching my videos for the first time, kindly like, subscribe, comment and share. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for taking your time to come and view my videos. To my new subscribers, I want you to feel much welcomed on board. Otherwise, I'm your host Larry, and until we meet again, peace out.